Hello? I've got to get out of here. Let's try this. Did you hear that? Oh my, I can't take much more of this. No! 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 I've got to get out of here!
Stay there, bastard!
No! Ah! 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 Get back!
Back over here!
No! Ah!
Back up there!
This is my hiding spot, and I'm not moving until it's... Ah! No! Please!
You got nothing!
No! I don't want to die! My God, what are you doing? Oh my God, we're doomed!
You got nothing!
No!
Hold position!
Ah! Ah!
Bastard! Objective! Recon!
No!
Shit!
Did you hear that? Yes. Let's go.
My ass! Casualties!
Listen!
Movement!
Yes. This all looks nominal.
Signs negative.
This should help. Who can say?
My ass is heavy.
Do you have any idea what to do? My goodness!
Cover!
Hello there.
Fight!
Greetings!
Bastard!
Hello.
Damn you!
I've got to get out of here.
Shit!
For God's sake, open the silo door! Are you insane? Get out of here! It appears the containment system has completely failed. What? Oh my. I never suspected.
Target!
Oh!
Got hostiles! Alert bogies! I will neutralize you!
Oh my.
200 meters. Objective Freeman!
Ah!
Go! I have to take
Get it off me! Get it off! Get it off! Stop attacking! He's a friend! Sorry. Hey, over here!
hostiles in! You bastard!
No!
Need Freeman!
Crab creatures have a unique parasitic strategy, don't you think?
Checking in! Roger! Area quiet. Recon.
All right. I am rather looking forward to this analysis. Greetings.
Alert weapons! Zone recon!
Hold still.
My ass! Hold cover! Shit!
Why are you leaving me here?
Casualties!
Ah, you've been wounded.
Secure zone! My ass!
Hey, what the hell are you doing down here? Get topside!
Rescued at last. Thank God you're here.
Our target range time is gonna pay off today. Hey, catch me later, I'll buy you a beer.
All right. I certainly hope you know what you're doing.
Don't bet on it. Now, I wonder if those boys could have made a bigger mess. I have a bad feeling about this. Morning, Mr. Freeman.
Freeman, bastard!
Hey! Ah! Ugh.
Their idea of containment is to kill everyone associated with the project.
Government cover-ups were not in my job description. Let's kill these freaks.
No, don't go that way. Freeman, you fool!
Moving out, Corporal. Guard duty, huh?
I really don't know.
Move up! Incoming! Go recon! Check your zone! Sweep that sector! Take this!
Under fire!
You got nothing!
Take this, bastard! You got nothing! Roger! Shit!
Excellent. Someone has restored all power.